Today we talk about how can you enable dark mode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, just keep going down. So then you go down here, you click here on theme, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on dark. So then you click here on set, then automatically here it's going to change with you to dark mode on your app. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.